This is my baby falling asleep on me, and he's snoring like a monster. Ew. Just kidding. He sleeps like a little angel. That was so beautiful. This is what your ass get for falling asleep on me all the time.